And this is around 8. I just come to turn on my solar light and then check on my beds. You can see they're already resting for the day. Okay, now this is the sick one here. Yes, I've already got some drugs for the sick one. Let me check how he's doing. You can see, hello kitty. It's okay, you're gonna be fine. So just like a mother, you always come and check your beds. I'm still coming back by 10 o'clock today. Okay, you can see how they're doing. They're all healthy. Yes, many of them are sleeping. So the temperature is normal, as according to our weather here is hot, so they will not be needing the lantern today. Yes, of course. So I think they need more food. Okay, see you tomorrow to the next training. I'm gonna be telling you what we do, what to add to the water. Thank you.